OS by System 76 enters 2025 as one of the most respected Linux distributions for developers, gamers, and power users who demand a sleek, powerful, and highly customizable desktop experience. Built on Ubuntu, but designed with its own unique personality, Pop_OS has become the go-to Linux OS for productivity, coding, and creative workflows. But what makes Pop_CUA stand out in a crowded Linux landscape? And is it really the best alternative to Windows and macOS for 2025? Let's break it down. At first glance, Pop_OS immediately impresses with its clean and modern desktop environment. Using a heavily customized version of GNOME, it offers a balance between simplicity and power user features. The interface feels snappy, fluid, and polished. Perfect for those who want a professional look without unnecessary clutter. Unlike some Linux distributions that can feel intimidating, Pop_OS makes onboarding easy, giving both beginners and advanced users a straightforward experience. One of the biggest highlights of Pop_OS is its focus on productivity. The built-in auto-tiling window manager allows you to organize multiple applications effortlessly, turning your desktop into a multitasking powerhouse. Whether you're coding, designing, editing, or just browsing, Windows automatically snap into clean layouts without the need for constant dragging and resizing. For developers and data scientists, this feature is a game changer, streamlining workflows in a way few operating systems can match. Performance is another key strength. Pop_OS is optimized for System 76's own hardware, but it also runs exceptionally well on most modern laptops and desktops. Its support for NVIDIA and AMD graphics drivers is among the best in the Linux world, making it a solid choice for gamers. In fact, thanks to Steam Proton and Lutris, Pop_OS has become one of the top recommendations for those who want to leave Windows, but still enjoy PC gaming. Combined with a lightweight system footprint, you get smooth performance, fast boot times, and excellent stability. Pop_OS also excels in development and engineering use cases. It comes preloaded with essential tools for programmers, supports multiple programming languages out of the box, and integrates seamlessly with advanced workflows like machine learning, robotics, and cloud development. For creative professionals, the OS supports video editing, 3D modeling, and design software with ease, giving you a free and open source platform that rivals expensive proprietary ecosystems. System 76 also takes security seriously, with full disk encryption by default, rolling updates, and an active development team. Pop_OS ensures your system stays secure without sacrificing usability. The OS has a strong community and long-term support options, meaning updates are frequent and reliable. Of course, Pop_OS is not without its challenges. While easier than most Linux distros, it still requires a learning curve for users coming directly from Windows or macOS. Some software, especially professional-grade, creative apps like Adobe's Suite, isn't natively available and requires workarounds. And while Pop_OS is stable, major updates sometimes bring minor bugs that need community patches. But for those who want control, performance, and freedom, Pop_OS stands tall. It blends the open source power of Linux with the polish of a professional desktop OS. For 2025, it remains one of the strongest options for anyone ready to break free from big tech ecosystems and embrace a system that puts customization, security, and efficiency first. The bottom line, pop_OS is more than just another Linux distribution. It's a bold statement about what a modern operating system can be. Whether you're a gamer, a coder, a student, or just someone tired of Windows headaches, pop_OS may be the smooth, powerful, and customizable future you've been waiting for. Mission accomplished if this review helps you decide whether to make the switch.